today I'm participating on the Look for Less challenge with our host, Yami from the Latina Next Door and Kristin from Kristin Chaotic Life. And they wanted us, as part of this challenge, to create a look for less, or something that we want for our home, but the prices are a little bit on the high side. So I decided I want to make a French mirror. I'm in love with all of them, and I just wanted to take this mirror that was in the garbage. Yes, my brother is going to throw it away. So I decided that I wanted to change this one to a French mirror. And as you can see, this is what they wanted and what I spent on this project. So for that, we're going to use this onlays. As you can see, those are onlays, different types, from smaller to longer, and they range on the 76 cents to $1. So I think we're gonna get it for so much cheaper. Also, this is the weirdest angle I have filmed a video like ever. So let's get started. It costed $179.95, but I made mine for $8 just buying the onlays because the mirror was garbage. This is how it's looking. As you can see, all of them are glued. Look, they are steady glued. And we have this prepped for painting. I'm gonna paint it in silver, and I'm gonna show you after it's done. And this is how it looks with the onlays and painted in silver. As you can see, it has beautiful detail. And as you can see, I am wearing my comfy clothes. I just wanted to take a time to thank Yami, the Latina Next Door, and also Kristin for this beautiful collab. I had so much fun, and actually I'm so loving my new mirror. I'm gonna hang it in my bedroom. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.